Hey guys, it's Shannon. I wanted to thank everybody again who sent me Christmas cards for our Christmas card exchange. It was so fun. And if you missed this DIY project, it is a buffalo print Christmas card display, and I displayed you guys' Christmas cards on it. And I didn't want to just get rid of those cards. They mean a lot to me, and I really do appreciate all of them. So I'm going to take a few and we're going to repurpose them. So let's get started. So I really love this idea. It's a great way to save memories and display them each year. I had this really cute red truck, so I just cut along the outside lines of it and then simply hot glued the truck onto these really simple magnets from the Dollar Tree. If you aren't already, you can follow me on my social media, both Facebook and on Instagram. I will have both of those linked down in the description box below. So the first thing you want to do is cut the front of your card off and roll it up into a skinny tube. I hot glued it as well as taped it to keep everything nice and secure, and then I pinched one end and hot glued that closed. I added some goodies in there and pinched it the opposite way, so one goes horizontal and one goes vertical, and then that makes a really cute little gift pouch. Some Christmas cards are so pretty they're worth framing and keeping as decor. I'm just using a really inexpensive picture frame from the Dollar Tree and cutting my Christmas card down to size. Here's another great Dollar Tree project. This is a cutting board from the Dollar Tree, and all I did was Mod Podge my greeting card on. So I started by cutting the card down to a square so that it would look proportionate inside the square cutting board, and I used my Mod Podge and made sure that I Mod Podged on the back where the feet were. So you want to add quite a bit of Mod Podge onto your surface. Lay your greeting card down into the Mod Podge, smooth it out, make sure you don't have wrinkles, and then you add another layer of Mod Podge on top of that to seal it all in. This makes a great gift. I would suggest not washing this. It's more of one of those wipe clean type things or a cute display for your kitchen. Start by cutting your card in half so you have the front and the back now. You're going to add hot glue or any kind of glue to 3 sides, both sides and the bottom. And now I'm going to be using some Dollar Tree ribbon and just cutting it down so it's not too big and bulky. I cut the wire edge off and then cut a sliver of the ribbon down. And then I sandwiched that in between the sides to give it a nice handle. You don't want to glue the top closed. That's going to be your pouch where you can add gift cards or small gifts, jewelry, anything you like to give. So this is just a sweet little gift giving, almost like a gift bag. You can also dress up mason jars with your greeting cards. All you have to do is take the circle out of the mason jar lid, cut your circle out of your card, and replace it and screw it back on. And it's just as easy as that. This is also a fun way to create your own gift tags. All you have to do is cut a rectangle or a square and then snip your corners off of one end. Add a hole with your hole punch to the end and add a little bit of twine or ribbon, and it's ready to add to a gift. You can also turn your Christmas cards into wood signs. I'm using a scrap piece of wood here, and I'm painting mine white. I gave it 2 coats of white, and then I cut the front off of my greeting card here and Mod Podged it to the front. So again, all you have to do is add Mod Podge first, set your greeting card in, and then Mod Podge over the top. That way it seals it in. I decided to distress mine a little bit, and I gave the edges some black paint and the sides some black paint to give it a more rustic farmhouse look. It's really easy to create your own wine bottle tags as well. I cut mine down to size, leaving enough at the top to where I could score a line with the back of my scissors here and fold it. Then I cut an X with my X-Acto knife and used that as a hole to pop it on top of the wine bottle. And it was just super easy and quick. And now you have a custom wine bottle gift tag. This is a really fun way to dress up your gifts. You just have to cut your card at an angle. I saved that angle that I cut off and used that on the other side to cut the exact corner. And then I cut a stump for the Christmas tree base. And it's just a fun way to add a little extra customization to your Christmas gifts this season. I hope that these tutorials inspired you to hang on to those old Christmas cards that you receive. You could also buy brand new Christmas cards and use those as well. Let me know down in the comments below which of these projects is your favorite. I'd love to know. I hope you will give this video a thumbs up for me. That definitely helps my channel and makes me able to continue bringing you great DIY projects. You can also hit the share button under this video and inspire your friends and family as well. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I do DIY tutorials every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And I want to thank you all so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Happy holidays.